today we are going to start with our chapter 10, that is transportation, right? So we need transport to travel from one place to another. So we have different means of transport: land transport, water transport, and air transport, right? So in villages, people use bullock carts, horse cart, tractor, bicycle, while in cities, car, buses, trucks, bikes, aeroplanes, helicopters, trains are available. Buses also run between cities and village. In remote area, if we talk about these different means of transport, like in desert area, camels का यूज करा जाता है, forest में elephants का, और hilly areas में mules and ponies are used, right? Nowadays, old slow means of transport are being replaced by fast moving means of transport. Means of transport, these are essential for the growth and development of the country. So India has well developed transport network of roads, railways, waterways and airways, right? Invention of wheel क्या है? One of the most important invention है. Then we have roads. So our country has one of the biggest network of road in the world. There are three main types of road in India: national highway, state highway and district highway. National highway connects state capital with other city. State highway क्या करते हैं? मेजर cities of the state को connect करते हैं. वही डिस्ट्रिक्ट हाईवे जो है वो डिफरेंट सिटीज को डिस्ट्रिक्ट से कनेक्ट करते हैं. सो इन द विलेजेस वी सी which type of roads? Kacha roads and metal roads are made from tar, cement and stone. Such roads are good for fast means of transport like buses, truck, cars. Kacha roads on other hand are damaged and rendered. Now railways, these are the another mode of transport, and there is a huge network of railway in our country. Almost all the city of India are linked with one another by rail, and more than 2 crore passengers travel by rail daily. The railways do not do another great service. They carry heavy and bulky goods to distant places. So our railway carry about 6 lakh tons of goods daily. And trains such as Vande Bharat, Rajdhani Express, Shatabdi Express run at the speed of 140 km per hour. Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Jaipur, Kochi, Noida, Nagpur, Mumbai, Lucknow, these have metro rail networks. ठीक है. और जो दिल्ली में मेट्रो रूट है आपका मेरठ वाला, उसको रैपिड ट्रेन हम नमो भारत ट्रेन में बोलते हैं, राइट? हमारे जो रेलवे जोन है वो डिफरेंट जोन्स में डिवाइडेड है, right? We have waterways, means water transport like ships, boats, steamer, and they are used to carry goods from one place to another. State of Kerala has many waterways. West Bengal, Goa, Andhra Pradesh are some of the other states which have waterways. Large ships sail from the ports in the sea carrying goods to the part. India has total 229 ports and 13 major ports and 217 ठीक है non major ports. Ships are built and repaired in the shipyards in Kolkata, Mumbai, Visakhapatnam and Cochin, and one single ship can carry thousands of passengers and tons of goods. They also carry wheat, rice, sugar, jute, edible oils. Now we have airways. Aeroplane is the fastest means of transport, but it is also very expensive. Airplanes and helicopter are useful in floods and famines. They can do and drop food packets and medicines. They also reach places जैसे आपके माउंटेन्स हो गए, हिली एरियाज हो गए, यहाँ पे भी easily पहुंच जाते हैं. And what they do, they carry people to one country to another country, and there are 7 domestic airlines operating in India: Air Asia India, Air India, Air Indian Express, Go First, Indigo, Spice, Jet और Vistara. We have 125 airports in India. 4 important international airports of India are Chhatrapati Shivaji, Mumbai में है, Subhash Chandra Bose is in Kolkata. Then we have Meenambakkam, that is in Chennai. Indira Gandhi in Delhi. These are some famous airports, right? Now a chapter has been completed. Hope you understood. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.